I'm Madison Myers, your neighborhood reporter here in McGregor. In our part of Texas, we're no strangers to tornadoes and rough weather. I sat down with local experts to find out how they're ensuring our neighbors are safe in severe weather.
Redundancy after redundancy. In emergency management, that's the name of the game, is redundancy.
As our community continues to deal with severe weather, local experts are sharing the importance of safety sirens. McGregor Emergency Management Coordinator Van Smith says the sirens primarily warn those participating in outdoor activities.
We have multiple sirens. If one doesn't sound, it'll also it goes over into the next cell or the next sector, so you'll be able to hear one all over town.
The city of McGregor tests the sirens on the first Friday of each month for weather-related emergencies. I sat down with our chief meteorologist, Matt Hines, who says these sirens are used for more than tornado warnings.
It can be really large hail. It can be damaging winds in excess of 70, 80 miles per hour. Each city has a different kind of criteria that they set them off for.
Matt also tells me the sirens shouldn't be our only source for finding out about severe situations.
It's 2024 and not 1984. So I think with all the phone information that we have, television, internet, I think there are many ways you can get information. And if you choose to stick your head in the sand and not know what's coming your way, I think that's more on you than on anyone else.
Having multiple sources to get information is something Matt tells me can help save lives in our community.
Outdoor warning sirens are a piece of the puzzle, but it's not the complete puzzle. You got to put all the technology we have together, and I think that's what makes it an effective warning tool.
McLennan County has a total of 31 sirens to warn our community of emergencies or tornadoes. Your neighborhood reporter in McGregor, Madison Myers.